Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Ankara Fan Gele that's on my head. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you notify every time I drop a new tutorial. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, and thank you for always coming back to watch my amazing tutorial. Please don't forget to share this video, comment, like, and God bless you. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Ankara Hand Fan Gele. We are going to be using this Ankara material. This Ankara fabric is about 1.5 yards. So what you do is to fold it this way to 2 equal parts. Then make sure the down part too is equal. Then when you are done, you fold this way like 8 inches. Look at what I'm doing. This way, fold it 8 inches this way, then as if you are making a pleat, you hold it together. Then you pick your rubber band. I'm going to use rubber band to hold it. Just put your rubber band this way and bring it down to that place where we folded. When we are done, this side of Ankara fabric that is red, just put it in between this way. Then we're going to tie our fabric this way. Put it on your head this way. Let it go around your head. And just put this other one on this side. So now we'll form the fan. So use your pin to pin here. Fold this edge so that it will not be showing on your gele. Use your pin to pin it down. Then bring this part as well. Then use your pin to also pin it down. Shift your hairtie, and this is what our Ankara Hand Fan Gele looks like. So this is it. So beautiful. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.